So I'm going to show you how to save some money by reusing the Bloom dolls. So what you need is everything that comes with the Bloom doll, and then you need something small like either a toothpick or a paper clip or something similar to that, and I'll show you why you need that in a little bit. And you need to keep those rings, and you just need some paper. I've used newspaper in the past, other paper is fine. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your Bloom doll, little hair piece on it, whatever, like that. And you go back in that little seat they came with. I'm going to want to close this. So I'm going to slide the chair onto that little piece. See that? Get a little closer. Slide that on. Pulls in. So we're going to push this all the way to the bottom. And you'll see that little pink piece come out at the bottom. This is where the toothpick or anything else that you can jam in here to keep it from moving comes in handy. So now it's there. So now you can see that the hair stays below the top. So now what we're going to do is move that off to the side for a few minutes. And we're going to use the bottom and the top ring. And you'll see that there's an indent here. That indent has to match up with this indent. So they'll get together like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to double up this paper just because it's very thin. I'm just going to lay it on top. Again, you need that indent to match up with the other indent. Go like that. Now that's there. I'll just kind of rip it. Holding that white ring in. That's done. Now we're just going to snap the 4 brown pieces into place. Now it looks like that. There's a groove right here. There looks like there's a groove on this side. I think it just needs to go like this. So now it's all together. Normally you would see them packaged like this. Take that little toothpick out. You can see that the hair is putting pressure against that. All you're going to do is, like when the kids would do it for the first time, take a little bit of water, and then it pops back out. So that just saved you like $8. And then your kids get to use it over and over again. They go, oh, it popped up, yay. So, yep, there you have it. Quick and simple. You can reuse them over and over again. So you don't have to buy like 50 of these. Basically, the kids will use it once and then want another one just so they can water it. Make sure that the hair, your hands, anything that you're going to touch this paper with is not wet. If there's any moisture to this, the little doll will pop up through the moist paper. So, all right. Well, thank you. I hope that saves you and your family some money and brings a lot of joy to your kids so that they can reuse these things over and over again. And have a great day. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, just leave them in the comments.